Right, a look at the Enya Nova U Pro Tenor Ukulele today. So it's actually been a little while since I've done a review of a ukulele, but I thought as this is one of my most recent ukulele purchases, I'd share my opinion with you guys. I already have the Nova U Concert Ukulele and I've done a full review of that, but this is slightly different because this is the tenor model and it's got a few slightly different features. So the basics to start with, this is the tenor size, 26 inch. I actually bought it last summer in August from the Southern Ukulele store, and let's be honest, in this colour, sort of purpley, lilac-y colour, I was always going to need it. Cost me round about the £140 mark. This is the acoustic version. There is an electro acoustic version as well, and of course, as I said, this is a tenor size, but Enya also do a soprano and a concert size too, and my full review of the concert one is of the newer model like this one. It comes as a package, so you get a case with it, a capo, the strap and a spare set of strings. So this is the case it comes with, nice shell, black, quite a plain case. It has got a little shoulder strap on it and it's got a handle on the side. I had to check then. I can confirm though that these do fit in regular tenor size ukulele cases. It certainly fits in my Crossrock tenor uke case. So it's a tenor size, 26 or just over 26 inches total length. The scale on the website, it says 17¼ inches. Let me just double check that for a sec. Yeah, 17¼ inches for the scale. Now the scale is slightly different. You measure from the nut down to the saddle, all right? But on this one, it's as it states on the website. It's got this gorgeous purple, it's sold as, but I'd say more of a lilac colour, but it's just the feel of it. It's so tactile. It's like a satiny finish. It's absolutely gorgeous. So the bridge actually matches the lovely colour of the body with a really nice contrasting black compensated saddle on there. It comes with 2 strap buttons, one up, one down, and a black strap. I know some of the other models, the coloured models, actually come with matching straps. That's not a massive issue for me. It's got a sound port or a sound hole in the top side with the quite famous Enya logo now as its main sound hole. Moving around, again, I can't describe how nice these feel. They really are gorgeous. You've got the purple lilac colour going right over. It's quite a flat heel to the neck. Going up the neck, it's all the same colour. Again, satin finish. It's got the open classic tuners on there in a nice gold colour matching the strap buttons. And then if we go around, this is one of the big new features on this tenor model, certainly compared to the concert and the soprano. It's got metal frets. Okay, I've never had an issue with my concert, but I have read a couple of stories of people complaining about the frets wearing down on the concert and the soprano because they're actually moulded into the fingerboard. They're plastic. But in this case, these ones are definitely metal and they've been rounded off really, really nicely. In other words, they've been rounded before they've been put into the fingerboard, which normally you only really find on really upper end, higher class instruments. So that's a really, really nice feature coming in from Enya there. Side markings, always useful, and a nice little design on the front markings on the fretboard. This one doesn't come with a 0 fret like some of their electric ukuleles do, but I haven't noticed any issues with intonation on this at all. And when it came nicely set up, but I did buy it from Southern Uke. It arrives with D'Addario titanium strings, which is a really nice feature, really nice strings. However, the spare set you get with them is just Enya strings. Playing wise, it's a 38mm nut, so it's nice and wide up there, plenty of room if you've got big hands, and it does make it for quite easy playing. The body itself is a polycarbonate composite. It does have carbon in it, but it isn't a carbon fibre ukulele. I know some people don't like plastic ukuleles, all right? But I personally think there is definitely a place in the uke world for them, because apart from anything else, they're very, very light and really quite sturdy, okay? I haven't actually dropped one yet. Whether or not the paintwork would chip off, I don't know. Go and check out my concert review of my black Nova U, because I really do put that through its paces. I was going to take this out in the snow this Christmas. We didn't really have any snow, so that sort of messed up that plans. But there we go. That is the really beautiful Enya Nova U, the tenor version. So there's the Concert Nova U compared to the tenor, just to give you a little idea. I will do the fastest comparison playing them later on, but I just wanted to give you a little heads up on what they look like side by side. And of course, if you want to know more about this one right now, I have done a full review on it where I really do put it through its paces. So let's have a quick listen to it. At the moment, it's got a high G on it. This is how it was strung with the original strings. I do intend to put a low G on it. That was one of the main reasons for buying this one. It's really quite loud. Now, I have been using this quite a lot recently. I haven't taken this one outside yet for sort of any open air playing, but certainly inside, I am noticing it maybe louder than some of my wooden ukuleles, but it's got a really nice bright tone. Yeah, there is quite a nice sustain on it. Just to give a quick comparison. I do get the feeling this one is louder, obviously, it's a bigger body on it as well, but for a tenor, it's got that really nice, bright, crisp sound as well. Oh, I can't wait now to put the G string on it and see what that does to it. it's nice to play. Honestly, the frets just feel gorgeous. And with that slightly wider neck as well, it does make it very, very easy to play. So there we are. That is the Enya Nova U Pro Tenor ukulele. Gorgeous to play, beautiful to look at. Would I recommend it? Yes. Just like the concert version of it. I think for the price, value-wise, 140 odd quid, I think it's a cracking ukulele. It's got that really nice, bright sound, but as I said, I'm really looking forward to trying out a low G on here. The feel of it, it's gorgeous. It is a travel size at the end of the day. You know, it's a nice narrow width. It's really nice and light. And I wouldn't think twice about taking this outside in the elements. As I proved with the concert one, you can get these wet. Just remember, if you do get them wet though, to make sure you dry off any of the metal parts. So, the Nova U Tenor. Beautiful to play, gorgeous to look at. I am loving it, let's be honest. There will be more videos because I will do a proper comparison with this and the concert version, and I have got a soprano on the way as well. It'll be really interesting to listen more than anything to what the low G does to it, and I'm hoping to take this out and about a lot more in the summer, maybe test it in the sun. That'll be fun. As always though, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.